If your Roblox not launching on your Windows 10 or 11, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this type of problem that Roblox is not opening on Windows 10 or 11. First, you need to click on your Windows icon and search for add or remove programs. Remember, a simple reinstallation can solve a big issue. And for that we are going to reinstall Roblox on our system. So I'm going to install Roblox from my system, and I'm going to reinstall it from the Roblox website. For that, I'm going to open my browser. You can open your favorite browser and search for Roblox, and you will find your account already logged in, and if not, then log into your account and click on of the game that you want to play, or click randomly, then click on play button, and from here you will find download and install Roblox option. Click on it and the setup file will start downloading. After download this setup file, just simply click on it. Now you will find that the installation process has been begun on your system, and it will take a while to install Roblox on your system. Now I'm skipping a little bit, and my Roblox application has just installed in my system. And as you can see from here, this is the Roblox player, and this is the application, Roblox game application, and you can try to open it, try to launch on your Windows system, and see if the Roblox application is launching properly or not. If you're still facing the problem, you just need to simply click on Windows plus R button on your keyboard, or you just need to search run, and here type percentage AppData percentage. Here it is, percentage AppData percentage, and click on OK. Now search for the local file. From here you just need to go one step back, go to AppData. At the top you will find the AppData option. Click on it and go to local. In the local folder you will find Roblox file. Here you can simply open this file, and from here go to versions, and here you can find the latest version file available on your Roblox file. So you just need to open the latest version file, and from here you will find Roblox Player Launcher. You just need to click once on it to configure Roblox Player Launcher, and it will start installing in your Roblox application. Now you can see my Roblox is successfully installed, and here click on OK button. Now you can try to open your Roblox application on your Windows system. We can try another way. Just you need to go to Microsoft Store, and from here search for Roblox. And here it is. Roblox application is available on Microsoft Store. You can install it from here. Just simply click on get button and it will start installing on your system. Then you can try to launch this Roblox application in your Windows system, and follow the other steps. Hope this will help you out. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.